In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix PopMart app network error. So if you're facing the network error in the PopMart app, it is because of your unstable internet connection. So ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. You can also try switching between the connection. If you're using the Wi-Fi, what you can do is simply turn on the mobile data. If you're using the mobile data, what you can do is simply switch to Wi-Fi. So like this, your problem can be solved. If you're using the Wi-Fi, you can also try restarting your router or modem. After that, your problem can be solved. You can also try turning on the airplane mode and turning it off. For that, what you have to do is scroll down from the top of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for airplane mode and tap on it. Now you can see over here airplane mode will be turned on. Now what you have to do is wait for a while. After a while, what you have to do is turn off the airplane mode. Simply tap on the option airplane mode again. Now after doing that, try connecting to your internet again and try using the PopMart application. Now your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, there might be some problem in the application itself. For that, what you can do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it. After that, your problem can be solved. If this also does not solve your problem, there might be some problem on your device. In that case, what you can do is simply restart your device. Long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. A simple restart can fix the temporary glitches. After that, your problem can be solved. So like this, you'll be able to fix your error. So that is how you fix PopMart app network error. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.